Jai Hind. A very good morning, everybody. Good morning. It gives me, Manasi, immense delight in extending a hearty welcome to all of you, especially the esteemed dignitaries and all you invitees who are present here in this iconic International Convention Hall for this extremely special event, listing of EP Biocomposites Limited, which is focused on contributing to a cleaner, greener, and safer planet through its products and services. EP Biocomposites was incorporated in the year 2020, month of January, and is a part of the EP Kamath Group, which was established way back in 1991, a heritage of more than 3 decades. BSE के इस ऐतिहासिक सभागार में उपस्थित सभी का मैं मानसी तहदिल से स्वागत करती हूँ. We will now welcome the esteemed dignitaries with bouquets of flowers as they step upon stage. I will invite Shri Nayan Mehta, Chief Finance Officer, BSE. Sir, near the gong, please. Please accept these flowers as a token of reverence. You may please take your seat on the stage, sir, while I call upon Shri Ajay Thakur, Head SME Segment and Startup Platform, BSE. A bouquet of flowers for you, sir. A token of respect. Shri Rajkumar Kamath, Chairman and Managing Director, EP Biocomposites Limited. Hearty welcome to you, sir. Shri Shreyas Nadkarni, Director Marketing, EP Biocomposites Limited. A very warm welcome to you. Shri Shripal Shah, Director, Ariman Financial Services Limited. A token of love in the form of these flowers. Thank you. और अब भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार दीप प्रज्वलित कर समारोह का उद्घाटन होगा. In keeping with the Indian tradition, the function will be inaugurated by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp. I request all those from the stage to please do the honors along with Srimati Leena Kamath, Promoter and Director, EPBL, and Shri Amit Kumar, Founder, MSMEX. Deepena lokana jayati, deepastejomayaha smritaha, chaturvarga pradodipan, tasmat deep yajet priye. This couplet in Sanskrit translates, the lamp is luminous, its radiance grants victory, its brightness imparts dharma, artha, kama, and moksha, that is, righteousness, prosperity, pleasure, and finally, emancipation. This is the significance of lighting a lamp, and hence a lamp should be lit. Lamp, as we know, is also a symbol of knowledge. दीप ज्ञान का प्रतीक होता है, हम सभी जानते हैं. Moments to be treasured in the form of photographs. यादगार पल हम सभी के लिए. That is Ashma Kamath joining in along with Srimati Sarita Kadkade, CFO, EPBL. Can we have a nice group picture? Thank you, everybody. The lamp being lit, the function being inaugurated, I request everybody to please take their seats while we play the corporate video of EPBL. Please take a look at the screen. Can we have the video, please?
Founded by Mr. Rajkumar Kamath over 30 years ago, the EP Kamath Group is committed towards nurturing a better environment. The organization has grown steadily since its inception in 1991, from providing the first 12-feet low VOC powder coating plant to building a vast portfolio of products and services which positively contribute to the environment. By using technology that is environment-friendly, cost-effective and hassle-free, EP Kamath Group has been contributing to a cleaner, greener and safer future. The group, which consists of independent plus small-scale units for each product line like FRP doors, biodigester tanks and toilets, fire-retardant doors and allied composite products, decided to consolidate and incorporate EP Biocomposites Limited in January 2020. In a country like India, where 17% of the world's population resides, it has only 4% of the world's freshwater resources. Water conservation has become increasingly important as India strives to become more self-sufficient. The sewage treatment plant is a solution that recycles water to a safe level before wastewater can be reused or returned to the environment. On the other hand, the effluent water treatment plant is an advanced solution that recycles industrial wastewater for reuse or safe discharge into the environment. The group has achieved a staggering growth of 300% in the past 3 years. Today, EP Biocomposites recycles over 1 million liters of water per day and aims to recycle over 10 million liters per day by the end of 2022. The team has also set a goal of recycling 100 million liters of water every day by 2025. With state-of-the-art machinery and technology, they produce the best quality products and services, making them a reliable brand with over 30 years of existence. EP Kamath Group also specializes in FRP doors and allied products. The organization prides themselves on being leaders in the production of FRP doors, having produced over 2 lakh plus doors that come with a warranty of 25 years, thereby saving thousands of trees. Each composite product has its own offerings for various applications. Additionally, EP Biocomposites is the only TOT holder of Defense Research and Development Organization, the DRDO Biodigester Technology. The biodigester toilet is one of a kind fit-and-forget sanitation system. Having worked on over 2,000 projects in various sectors, they have built a reputation for themselves by providing next-level customer satisfaction to a clientele of over 3,500. EP Biocomposites is determined to reach the next level by expanding pan-India and starting their products and services. Backed by a passionate team of dedicated experts, they strive to make a difference, furthering the vision of Mr. Kamath to be India's leading company in the production of FRP doors, sanitation and wastewater recycling.
आम्ही बिझनेस सगळेच करता, बट बिझनेस करता असताना म्हणजे एन्व्हायरमेंटूय सांबाळटा, बट ताज्या पेक्षा एक स्टेप फुडें वचून सातत्यान बिझनेस करता असताना आपूण गोंया खातीर कितें दितलो, एन्व्हायरमेंटा खातीर कितें तरी करतलो, हाजो सातत्यान धडपडीत विचार करपी बाब राजकुमार कामत.
As the company continues its mission, it is certain that their actions will bring a change, not just for us today, but also for future generations to come.
That was EP Biocomposites in a nutshell for all of us. And it is almost time for ringing of the gong. We have been joined by Shri Ralph D'Souza, President, Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and Shri Mangarish Pairaikar, Chairman of MSME National Council Association. We welcome you, gentlemen. Their flight was delayed, but they have reached just in time. Can I request Srimati Leena Kamath, Shri Amit Kumar, Srimati Sarita Kadkare, and Kumari Ashma Kamath to please join in. जिस पल का हमें इंतज़ार था वो करीब आ रहा है. The momentous time for which we all are eagerly waiting is fast approaching. Ringing of the gong will mark the official listing of EP Biocomposites Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in cheering when the customary 10-second countdown begins. We will put our hands together as the timer strikes 10 o'clock. जब 10 को 10 सेकंड बाकी होंगे, आप सभी मेरे साथ काउंटडाउन की गिनती में शामिल हो जाइएगा. तालियों की गूंज के साथ हम उस पल को सजाएंगे. It will truly be an honor to be introduced and welcomed on this corporate ladder. हम सभी के लिए ये अविस्मरणीय क्षण होगा. We are almost there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heartiest congratulations to the management, investors, stakeholders of EP Biocomposites Limited on the official listing. ढेर सारी बधाई और बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप सभी को. आवाज कम है, वॉल्यूम कम है ना, बोलो उसको. पोडियम माइक बढ़ाने को बोलो उसको. Ladies and gentlemen, listings are milestones. And milestones are moments to look at the past with gratitude, present with appreciation, and future with lots of hope. Thank you. Please take your seats while I introduce the Chairman and Managing Director of EP Biocomposites Limited, Shri Rajkumar Kamath, a mechanical engineer, promoter of EP Kamath Group, an ISO-certified manufacturer, porter of FRP doors, bio-toilets, fire doors and other architectural products besides wastewater recycling, having won 2 national awards and focused on contributing towards a clean, green and safe planet. He has made employment creation through entrepreneurial growth his life mission and has been taking this forward through various responsibilities like Executive Director, BNI Goa Region, President Vibrant Goa Foundation, Member Investment Promotion Board, Government of Goa, Chairman Goa Industry Committee, Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Immediate Past President, Goa State Industries Association, Founder President, Fire and Security Association of India, the Goa chapter, Managing Trustee, Goa Entrepreneurs Mentoring Services Trust, Ex-Director, Goa Industrial Development Corporation, Member, Board of Technical Education, Goa. The EP Kamath Group received a national award in the year 2003 for Best Success Story in Rural Industrialization and another national award in the year 2010 for outstanding efforts in entrepreneurship, manufacturing to be specific. Mr. Kamath was awarded Business Enabler of the Year Award in 2018 and recognized as Rainmaker for his contribution to Goa's business ecosystem on the cover page of Business Goa, Goa's premium business magazine in October 2020. He was bestowed with Businessman of the Year Award at the Incredible Goa Awards 2021 for excellence in green business. In May 2022, EP Biocomposites Limited was recognized as one of the prominent brands of Goa during the Gomantak Brands of Goa Awards. Just last month, on the 15th of August 2022, he was profiled as one of the leaders of change by the Times of India. Well, before calling upon him for the opening address, we would like to acknowledge the arrival of Sri Ralph D'Souza, President, Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry, with a bouquet of flowers. Can we have the flowers, please? Sri Ralph D'Souza, President, Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Please accept these flowers as we welcome you to this event. Thank you. And Sri Mangarish Pairaikar, Chairman of MSME National Council, ASSOCHAM. Most welcome, sir. Please be seated. And we are eager to hear from Sri Rajkumar Kamath, Chairman and Managing Director, EP Biocomposites Limited.
Thank you, Mansi, and a very good morning to all of you. On behalf of EP Biocomposites Limited and the entire EP Kamath Group, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the investors who reposed faith in us and our mission of contributing to a cleaner, greener, and safer planet. By the overwhelming response, which resulted in IPO getting oversubscribed by 17.48 times. I would also like to profusely thank Mr. Nayan Mehta, Mr. Ajay Thakur, the BSE team, Aryaman, MSMEX, the EP team, FECX consultants, well-wishers and mentors from Goa and beyond, blessings from my mother and elders, the rock-solid support from my wife Leena and the family, and above all, the blessings from our deity goddess Kamakshi, which resulted in the successful culmination of a seed sown into now the listing of EP Biocomposites Limited today at this iconic venue and in front of the August gathering. Thank you all. My special thanks go to Mr. Ralph D'Souza, Chairman of D'Souza Group and President of Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry, who was spontaneous in accepting my request to grace this event as guest of honor, besides Mangarish Pairaikar, Chairman of National MSME Council, ASSOCHAM, the Director General of GCCI, Sanjay Amonkar, Mr. Sandeep Sood, I would say the backbone of industry now in Goa, who they have changed their schedules and flew all the way to Mumbai to be a part of this major milestone of EP. Thank you all. Thank you very much. In fact, when I stand before you, I get a little bit nostalgic. And, it's a story, the story which began by a seed sown by none other than Shri Ajay Thakurji in 2016, when he had addressed a small group of business persons in Goa, invited by my friend Mr. Ivancio Quadros. One of his points: IPO is an excellent opportunity for SMEs to unlock the value of their businesses. Press the right key in my mind. Being fresh from disinvestment from one of my business vertical, selling it at just the asset value. As usual, we got caught in our daily routine and the idea went into the back burner until Ajayji came once again back in 2018, this time on my request to address the larger gathering at Goa Beach Fest organized by BNI. This was the time I decided to seriously look into this option of raising funds through SME IPO. But I was already committed to quite a few initiatives on the social front, including the historic Vibrant Goa Global Expo and Summit, which happened in 2019. So post the summit, end of 2019, we met, if you remember Ajayji, we met and we decided to go ahead. Accordingly, we incorporated EP Biocomposites Limited in January 2020, where we consolidated our new age businesses of composites and sanitation. We also decided to add a new vertical of wastewater recycling. But the pandemic immediately thereafter made us defer our IPO plans. In the meanwhile, on the personal front, I brought back my focus from plethora of social activities to the business. Added the new vertical of wastewater recycling. And as they say, energy flows where the focus goes. Business started growing, and despite pandemic, in fact, as a group, we grew by more than 300% between 18-19 to 21-22. EPBL grew even faster. So this is how EPBL grew from January 2020 with 56.83 lakhs as the turnover to 807.55. This is net sales, not the turnover, as on 21-22. And the profitability moved up from 3.15 lakhs to 80.94 lakhs as of 21-22. So in fact, besides our diversified customer segment ranging from construction, hotels, industries, government, and institutions, as well as traders and individuals, helped us maintain and accelerate the growth despite pandemic challenges. Besides Team EP, the key facilitator in this growth story was Mr. Amit Kumar, the founder of MSME X, who helped us fine-tune our business model and work out a strategic direction with focus on composites and water. In fact, we now have this product range under composites and aqua, the FRP doors, WPC frames, etc., and the bio-STP sewage and effluent treatment plants. He also introduced us to Mr. Sripal Shah, Director of Aryaman Financial Services in August 2021, exactly a year ago, who put us at ease with his expert advice and elevated our confidence. CS Amok Diwan and his team at FX Consultant supported us by interfacing very effectively with Aryaman in this process. The contribution of our CFO, Mrs. Sarita Kadkade, and Mr. Vatsal Ganatra from Aryaman in this entire process has been extremely crucial. I would like to thank all these individuals and organizations who inspired, helped, supported, and made this happen. Thank you very, very much. On advice from MSME X, we had already started preparing for consolidation and growth since April 2021 itself. The new vertical of wastewater recycling through sewage and effluent treatment plants was strengthened by adding younger professionals. The young marketing director in Suresh Natkarni came on board. Digital marketing was strengthened. From 25 leads a month, we started receiving more than 400 leads a month. A regional business development head for Mangalore and South Karnataka is now in position. In short, today we have a team which combines the experience and wisdom on one end, along with youthful aggression and professional mindset on the other. As we move forward with our goal of exponential growth, the funds would help us grow our team, expand geographically to Karnataka, Maharashtra, and also overseas, introduce new complementary products, expand facilities, and strengthen our marketing, thereby preparing ourselves to grow substantially and migrate to the BSE main board in a couple of years. Thereby, we would be playing a part in expanding the Indian economy to $5 trillion, the national goal put forth by Honorable Prime Minister. Once again, we at EP Biocomposites Limited thank you and look forward to your continued support in our journey of contributing to a cleaner, greener, and safer planet. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for telling us about the journey of the company right from its establishment to current accomplishments along with major milestones on the way. I will now request Shri Nayan Mehta, Chief Finance Officer, BSE, to address this august gathering.
Good morning, everyone. I feel elated to welcome you all to the listing ceremony of EP Biocomposites Limited on BSE SME platform today. On behalf of BSE, I would like to welcome Mr. Rajkumar Kamath, MD, Mr. Shreyas Natkarni, Director Marketing, Mr. Mangarish Pairaikar, Chairman of MSME, National Council, ASSOCHAM, Mr. Ralph D'Souza, President, GCCI, Mr. Shripal Shah, Director, Aryaman, and Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME, and everyone present here. My heartiest congratulations to the entire team of EP Biocomposites Limited on the success of its public offer, as well as its fantastic listing just a while ago. As we are aware, EP Biocomposites Limited manufactures and supplies fire-reinforced polymers products such as Joe frames, biodigester tanks, biotoilets, and we just saw other products in the presentation earlier by the MD. It has supplied more than 2,000 biotoilets, helping in reduction of open defecation as well as contributing to green and clean surroundings. EP Biocomposites Limited becomes the 390th company to be listed on BSE SME platform, and this platform has a market capitalization now of over 60,000 crores, 60,000 crores, and that's a commendable achievement. And obviously, as our MD attributed, BSE also attributes a lot of its success in BSE SME platform to Mr. Ajay Thakur, who is with us right now. And obviously, needless to say, it's a win-win. It's a success of not only BSE, it's a success of all the companies together. And because of the companies, obviously, it's a success for us. And we also hope that you continue to succeed more and more as time passes. BSE provides a host of other services to capital market participants, including risk management, clearing, settlement, market data services, education. It has a global reach with customers around the world and a nationwide presence. BSE's systems and processes are designed to safeguard market integrity, drive the growth of Indian capital market, and stimulate innovation and competition across all market segments. We are hopeful that EP Biocomposites Limited will generate good results in their businesses and maximize investors' wealth. We also expect that the company to set new standards of corporate governance for others to follow. I would once again like to extend my best wishes to EP Biocomposites Limited team, its merchant bankers, on this momentous occasion. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. And now I will request Shri Ajay Thakur, Head SME Segment and Startup Platform BSE, for his address.
Dignitaries on the dais, respected Sri Rajkumar Kamatji, Managing Director EP Biocomposites, Sri Shreyas Natkarni, Director Marketing EP Biocomposites, Sri Nain Mehta, Chief Financial Officer BSE, Sri Suja, President GCCI, Sri Pai Raikarji, Chairman of MSME National Council SOCHM, Sri Sripal Shah, Director Arman Financial Services, distinguished guests, very good morning to all of you. Today, it's a great day that 390th company EP Biocomposites from the state of Goa is going to get listed on BSE SME platform. In fact, it has already got listed and it has got a bumper opening. Okay, I think you have brought it at 125, 126, and it opened at 168, and I've been told that it was trading at 163. Almost 37, 38% up. 10 years back, when myself and Sripal has started this SME platform, we never thought that one day will come when we will see the SME getting listed at such a high premium with one side upward circuit, and investors will have so much interest in their company. We have taken the pledge at that point of time that we on our own way will try to grow this company by making the backbone of this Indian economy, what we call as macro, small and medium enterprises, a very strong component which can contribute to the GDP of this country and create huge employment. I can very proudly say that through this SME platform, on which we have started very humble beginning, today it has helped the SME reach more than 5,000, 6,000 crores, at least 4,200 crores from the primary market, another 1,500, 1,600 crores from the secondary market, and created a wealth of 60,000 crores. It's a very big number, and that also without any support. In fact, in last 10, 11 years, I have met almost 37,000 SME promoters. Just understand, 6 years back, I have met Kamatji. Not only Kamatji, many people in Goa, many industries in Goa. And at last, I have been able to convince the third company from the state of Goa to get listed on the BSE SME platform. So, I always say that to reach this place, we have done a lot of Bhagirathi Priyas. And then after that, we have been able to get 390 SMEs get listed on this SME platform, meeting 37,000 SME promoters. I think this country has got huge potential. I think many of the SMEs companies can get listed on this SME platform. They can unlock their value. I want to reduce their dependency on debt funding. I want to have a mix of debt and equity in their company, so that they can have a sustainable growth. And for that, BSE has been continuously doing this activity. In fact, we have been doing for last 147 years, and 10 years through this SME platform, we are trying to create a vibrant ecosystem under which all the stakeholders should keep on growing and make this country a great country in the times to come. I think we owe a lot to the society, we owe a lot to the state, we owe a lot to the country. In our own way, we all need to contribute in our own way so that there should be a sustainable growth in this country. With these words, once again, Kamatji, I wish you all the best. I think in 3 years, you have seen a great growth in your business. Just now I saw from 87 lakh, you have grown to 8 crore business. From few lakh rupees, I think you have grown to a PAT of almost 87, 85 lakh rupees. And a gross profit, I have seen it was 3 crore rupees. I am quite sure Amit is sitting here from MSMAX. He must be giving you a right direction. We know each other also. And I am quite sure that Amit will also keep on doing good job and help you in your growth. Sripal is just like my younger brother. Sometimes I also tell him he's just like son, because in 96, when I joined BSc, I started working with his uncle, and I was the head of the arbitration, and I brought him in the arbitration committee. And after 15 years, almost I have completed more than 25 years in this exchange. After 15 years, one person again from that family has helped me in starting this SME platform. And I am really very grateful to him because at that point of time, I was not getting a single merchant banker who can associate with me and start working on this SME platform. So he has done wonderful job. I think almost 80 companies he got listed on the SME platform. And I'm quite sure he will remain associated with SME exchange and help me in making this exchange a beautiful and a big exchange. Again, all the best to you, sir. Maybe in another 3 years, you grow to 50 crores or 100 crores company. Of course, this country requires a clean energy, a greener earth and greener planet. And in that, whatever way under the guidelines, under the rules and under the laws of the land, we can support, we will keep on supporting. With these words, thanks a lot to all of you.
Thank you so much for your insights. And now, I invite Shri Shripal Shah, Director Aryaman Financial Services Limited, to address us on this highly joyous and equally significant occasion.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. I mean, on a rainy day like this, to reach here at one end of the world is tough. First of all, I want to dil se thank Kamath Saab for appointing us, for reposing faith, because I very clearly remember our first meeting and he telling me, "Mujhe kya karna padega?" He asked me this question, what do I have to do? Because I made this whole pitch, okay, we will do this, then we will do this, and it sounded complicated to him. So he said, "Listen, what do I have to do?" So I said, "Sir, you have to trust me." And he did that. Okay, and I hope I have reposed. Yes. I want to thank Amit for being like a sarthi in this entire thing, for driving the car where we are both sitting behind in a way. You know, he has done a fabulous job mentoring you. I want to thank, as usual, BSE, Ajay Bhai, Nayan Bhai. Thank you so much for always coming for these events. And these are very small events for them, but they are very large events for the respective company. You know, and it really helps when people like them motivate us. One episode I want to share regarding my trip to Goa. I think I came to Goa for a full day trip, if I remember. Yeah, morning I landed and I took a late night flight back, and we were meeting a lot of his friends in his circle to just get an idea of what kind of investor interest we can generate. And throughout the whole thing, I remember Kamatji being so relaxed. Like we were waiting in somebody's office and we were made to wait a half an hour, and I got a little hassled. And he's like, "You know, you are getting too hassled. This is the way of life." And I've really, my association with him has made me realize that you need not get hassled in small things. And I remember after that also, the whole thing in the end, when I was going, he said, "God bless you." Remember? So it stayed with me, and I wanted to just repeat that. So thank you very much. And this issue has been tremendous because it's a 5 crore rupee IPO or a 6 crore rupee IPO, which has collected more than 110 crore of subscription. So 10 times subscribed on the retail portion, 10 times subscribed on the HNI portion, and today it has opened 37% above its IPO price and given return of 37% in 15 days. So it's a dream. I hope the dream can continue and we can do much more such things. All the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for sharing your thoughts. And now I request Shri Amit Kumar, founder, MSMEX. Sir, please.
Respected delegates, my fellow entrepreneurs, colleagues and friends. My name is Amit. I'm founder and CEO of MSMEX platform. We're a platform where we connect a lot of business experts and coaches, more than 100 experts what we have with thousands of MSMEs every month. Now, every entrepreneur starts their business journey with own money, khud ka paisa. And then when they move forward, they are able to get some confidence from friends and family, and then they get some known money. But then at time, this kind of time comes when we get the blessings of getting unknown money, the money from the people whom we don't know. But then this is the stage which can be achieved only when the company is fundable. Every company makes money, but every company may not be fundable. But the company can be fundable if the company works on the right mindset, the right business model, and the governance which is needed to give confidence to the investors. So in the case of EP Biocomposite, it was an easy job for us because Rajkumar ji already comes with excellent mindset for growth and extraordinary skills when it comes to execution. So my role was to shape the business model and to improve the digital presence of the company, which we did well with the best of the efforts what we put in. And then comes the governance and compliance, where I would like to thank Shripal ji and Ajay sir, where the entire ecosystem was created by the BSE SME team and the team of merchant bankers that shaped the company in achieving that governance and compliance level. And here we are seeing the results today. Now this known money comes with greater responsibilities. And I know that Rajkumar ji and his team has all the capabilities to take care of that responsibility and to shine further in his journey. I would like to thank Shripal ji and his team for doing an excellent job. Also the BSE team, the Ajay sir, and the rest of the BSE team for making this happen today. And because of that, we are all here today. And I always say this is just the start. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. Thank you.
Thank you so very much. I will now invite Mr. Ralph D'Souza, President, Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Sir, a few words from you as well.
Good morning. Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head, SME, Segment and Startup Platform, BSE Limited. Mr. Rajkumar Kamath, my friend and Managing Director, EP Biocomposites Limited. Shreyas Natkani, Director Marketing, EP Biocomposites. Mangirish Paraikar, my colleague in the Chamber and Chairman of MSME National Council, SOCHM. Mr. Shripad Shah, Director, Aryaman Financial Services Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure and immense emotion that I address you this morning. A pleasure as a Goan industry is listed at the Bombay Stock Exchange, and I am sure that this will spur more industries to follow suit and prosper. With the help of the investors attached to the Bombay Stock Exchange, one can go places. As this Goan MSME has shown the way and led by example, I have no doubts that others in Goa will not lag behind but follow suit. The general perception that Goa is a tourist paradise where fun never sets and with no other industry present is a myth. But let me make it clear that Goa has dozens of large-scale industries and is responsible for 80% of India's construction manufacturing machinery and 15% of country's pharma production, to mention just a few. Hence, the industrialists in Goa, as well as the new entrepreneurs, have shown the way that Goa is indeed poised to be an industrial and logistic hub, and besides the tourism status that it always enjoyed and will enjoy. On 7th of October, the Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry, partnered by the Government of Goa and FICCI, are hosting an event, Invest Goa 2022, inviting mainly non-polluting industries, as well as today, as of today, we have received an excellent response. So do come and join us on the 7th and experience the pleasures of doing business in Goa. This is also an emotional moment for me, as 8 years ago, my late father Cyprian Souza was the stock exchange broker here. At this very exchange, which was then, I'm told, affectionately referred to as a share bazaar. He authored and published a book in 1952 entitled The Indian Investor, the Times of India publication, which was authoritative in investment advice and turned out to be a bestseller of those days. I'm happy that EP Biocomposites, promoted by my friend Rajkumar Kamath of EP Kamath Group, is focusing on clean, green, and safe planet through its products and services. And now, with the strength of the IPO funds getting injected into his network, I have no doubts that EP Kamath Group will grow across the country and beyond and contribute substantially to Goa's as well as the country's economy, and at the same time inspire other industries in Goa and elsewhere to follow suit. Congratulations to EP Kamath Group, and I wish them the very best in their future endeavors. The stampede for the subscription, resulting in shares being 17% oversubscribed and jumping and to an increase of 37% in just 15 days, is no flash in the pan. It is a wonderful start for a bright future. I take this opportunity once again to congratulate EP Kamath Group in the wonderful enterprise and the endeavor, and invite you all to Goa for Invest 2022 on 7th of October and be an integral part of Goa's growth story. Come to Goa where you can do business with pleasure. Thank you and a big God bless.
Thank you, Mr. D'Souza, for your good words and showering praises on the company. Time now, ladies and gentlemen, for memento presentation. I will request Shri Nayan Mehta and Shri Ajay Thakur from BSE to please present a memento as a congratulatory gesture to Shri Rajkumar Kamath, Chairman and Managing Director of EP Biocomposites Limited. I request you gentlemen to please move towards the gong so that we can have some lovely, beautiful pictures. So this, as you can see, is the replica of the gong that is behind. Congratulations once again to you. Can we have the bull and the coffee table book as well? Yes. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is the replica of the bull that you see at the entrance of a BSE. Good luck to you. And this is the coffee table book, which captures the history and essence of BSE. Thank you. I will request Nayan Bhai and Ajay Bhai to please present a bull to Shri Shreyas Nadkarni, Director Marketing, EP Biocomposites Limited. That was for you, sir. So this is the bull for you. And of course, the coffee table book. Shreyas Nadkarni. Yes. A bull and a coffee table book for Shri Shripal Shah, Director, Aryaman Financial Services Limited. A bull and a coffee table book Shri Ralph D'Souza, President, Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Please accept this replica of the bull and the coffee table book of BSE. Thank you. Okay, Shri Mangirish Pairaikar, Chairman, MSME National Council of ASSOCHAM. Thank you. And now Shri Rajkumar Kamath will present a memento to Shri Nayan Mehta, Chief Finance Officer, BSE in reciprocation. आगे के देके रखो एक एक A memento for Shri Ajay Thakur, Head BSE SME and Startups. Thank you, Nayan Bhai. Thank you, Ajay Bhai. Shri Ralph D'Souza, President, Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry. A memento for you from Shri Rajkumar Kamath ji. A memento for Shri Mangarish Pairaikar, Chairman, MSME National Council of ASSOCHAM. Thank you, Mr. Kamath. Shri Shreyas Nadkarni will present mementos in appreciation and gratitude, beginning with Shri Shripal Shah, Director, Animan Financial Services Limited. Thank you for your contribution towards the success of the IPO. Shri Amit Kumar, Founder, MSMEX. Company expresses gratitude in the form of this memento. A memento for Shri Vatsal Ganatra. Thank you, Vatsal, for extending all the support and help. And we also thank the Efficax consultants, CS Amok Devan and CS Rohan Shinde. Thank you, everybody. And now the vote of thanks will be proposed by Shri Shreyas Nadkarni, Director, Marketing, EP Biocomposites Limited, along with the closing remarks.
A very good morning, everyone. With EP Biocomposites Limited now listed on the BSE SME exchange, we now embark on a new journey, a journey of new age sustainable business with constantly focusing on environmentally friendly products and services in a much accelerated fashion. Like Ajayji mentioned, that SME is the backbone of Indian economy. We are also unlocking the value of business, which further enables industries like us to explore new markets, which then further can contribute to the economy. Amongst the very few industries from Goa, we are delighted to be listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange, SME Exchange. I feel proud to be associated with an organization which focuses not only on to create and offers eco-friendly solutions, but also time and again rededicates itself to contribute to a clean, green, and safe planet. At this time, I, on behalf of EP Biocomposites Limited and the group, would like to thank our friends, family, well-wishers for your presence to this listing ceremony. Especially, I would like to thank Shri Ajay Thakurji, Head SME Segment and Startup Platform at BSE, Shri Nayan Mehta, CFO, BSE Limited, Shri Shripal Shah, Aryaman Financial Exchange Services, my apologies, Mr. Amit Kumar, Founder MSMEX, Mr. Ralph D'Souza, President, Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Mangirish Pai Raikar, Chairman, MSME National Council, ASSOCHAM, Mr. Vatsal Ganatra, Aryaman Financial Services Limited, FECAX Consultants, CS Amog and Rohan. A special thank you to Mansiji for hosting this amazing morning listing ceremony. Finally, our heartiest gratitude to our investors, customers, the EP Dream Team, and God Almighty for making this happen. We look forward to your support in the journey ahead, and we wholeheartedly thank you. Thank you so much.
And on that note, we conclude the function. Kindly proceed for tea, coffee, refreshments that have been arranged in the banquet hall towards my left, your right. This is Manasi taking your leave. Have a great day ahead. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay well. Thank you.